How to monitor your pet's health using your phone? Well, you can use a specific app for this one. For example, FitPark. This is available on the Google Play Store. This will provide you detailed activity and sleep tracking, giving you valuable insights into your pet's daily routine and overall well-being. FitBark monitors your pet's activity throughout the day, alerting you to any significant changes in their behavior. This comprehensive data can help you identify potential health problems early on. See how many steps they took, calories burned, and even how well they slept. Sharing your pet's health information with your veterinarian is easy with FitPark. Simply share your pet's activity and sleep data directly from the app for a more informed consultation. Give your pet the gift of health and happiness with FitPark. Download the app from Google Play and start monitoring your pet's well-being today.